Hey guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company Rpgshow. But before I get started on all the details, if you are not subscribed to my channel already, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you are subscribed to my channel, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you do not miss out on any of my videos. This unit that I will be showing you guys today is their 13x6 curly highlight lace front wig. This one is in the length 20 inches. This is also 200% in density. And yes, little mama is definitely thick. Look at how beautiful the hair looks straight out of the package. Like, that looks real good. Now, this unit does come with your 2 combs on the side. It also comes with a comb in the back, your adjustable straps, and you also have an adjustable elastic band. Did go ahead and wash my unit using my Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner, and everything went great during the washing process. I did not get a lot of shedding at all. I did experience just a little bit of dryness after washing the unit, but once I added my conditioner, everything was all good. It does come with the new invisible knots and the real scalp. So I just want to show you guys what that parting space looks like. And yes, it's definitely giving off scalp, and you get a lot of parting space. So you're not just stuck with parting this in the middle. You can definitely part this on the side. And this unit also comes with your upgraded pre-pluck hairline. Like, look at that. I'm not going to have to go in and do any extra plucking. Today's install, I will be using my Boho Liquid Gold. I just kind of pinned that lace back so that it could be out of the way. And I'm just using this little spatula to spread this across my head. I am putting this above my hairline, and a little bit definitely goes a long way. I have really been enjoying this product, and I'm just working in sections. So I'm making sure to take my rat tail comb and just kind of press the lace down so I don't have to worry about any of the lace rolling up, and then just using my blow dryer to speed up the drying process. Be taking my wax stick and going around the hairline area and using my hot comb just to kind of press everything out and make it really nice and sleek for the look that I'm going for today. You can also see the pre-pluck hairline even better once everything is all smoothed out. You can really see how big the hair is. Now, I will be going for a side part today, and I like this little curve right here, but I'm like, I want to push this over just a little bit more because I want it to be a little bit deeper, and that parting space looks so good, y'all. I'll be pulling out a little bit of hairs on the side. And if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know, sometimes when it comes to my curly and my wavy looks, I just like to add a little bit of baby hairs. Now, if you're not a fan of that, you can definitely skip that process because the hairline, Miss Girl is doing her thing on her own. So she does not need any extras. So this is definitely a personal preference. I got that top all pressed out, even though this is 200% in density, like the top lay down with no issues. So I combed out the hair a little bit, And then I am just going to section this off just because it is so much hair. Warning for my ladies who do not like heavy density, then hey, you might want to skip this, or you might want to see if they offer a lower density on the website, because she is definitely nice and full. You can see before I even wet the hair, I kind of went through it with my wide tooth comb just to make sure that there were no snags or anything going on. I'm being very generous with the water and also the mousse because I want to make sure that everything gets nice and saturated, especially focusing on the ends. And then I will be using my defining brush just to kind of clump those curls together. And you can see how well they are clumping. So this is going to take me a good amount of time because I'm sectioning this off because how much hair it is. But as you can see, everything is pretty much forming well together. The curls look really great. And it took no time for them to kind of bounce back. The curls are all nice and defined. I will be using my diffuser, and this did take me a little while to get this to about 90-95% dry. I did take my time. I ended up taking a little break and everything, so I am going to end up diffusing the rest off of camera and then come back with it dry. I definitely made sure to not rush this process, but once everything is dry, I'm just going to pin the hair back so that I can work on the front of this hairline, and you can see everything is nice and blended in well to my skin. So I'm going to cut this hair down a little bit shorter, and then I will be using my flat iron just to kind of curl those hairs so that I can swoop them the way that I want them to be swooped. Me a little time to get my swoops to cooperate, but now that they are good, I'm going to add a little bit of powder into the parting space area. I'm not going to put any around the hairline just because I don't feel like it's needed. Like, that tinted Swiss lace definitely came through. So I'm going to be placing a little bit of my Sleek and Shine serum in my hand, and then I am just going to begin to fluff up the hair. Now, I decided to not fluff this up too much just because I did like how defined the curls were looking. But of course, the more you fluff this up, the bigger it is going to be. It does start at 14 inches and it goes up to 20, which I am rocking. I am only 5'2". You can see what it looks like pulled into a ponytail. The hairline is definitely on point. I have no complaints about that. The parting space, the bleach knots, it just all came together. I think that this is going to be a perfect unit for the spring and summer. You get very minimal shedding with this unit, but I do expect some snags just because of the texture. Now this unit is also going to be a bit on the pricey side, so I'm going to make sure to leave a coupon down below. If you guys are interested in this unit, I am going to make sure to leave all the details in the description area. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Once again, turn those notifications on, share, and like this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.